Hello, my wonderful family, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Today, my wonderful family, I just want to deal on one or two words. I know that you might have seen it in the description box or with the title. I know that you know what I'm about to say already. But before I start, I want to apologize to some people that know a lot or certain things all over the world. I watched a video yesterday whereby Igbo speaking Biafran was telling the other people to keep clear that Biafra does not belong to any other person, belongs to only the Igbo speaking Biafran, and that those other states should go and look for another leader. I am like, shoo, you don't have the right to say that. You don't have the right to say that. How dare you say that? We don't have two leaders. It's one leader, is Nnamdi. And we believe that Biafra will definitely come under his leadership. So why are you telling other people to go and look for their leader? And Nnamdi is not your leader. You insult and you say a lot of words. See, stop that you are doing. No. Just stop it. Oh. These are some of the reasons why a lot of people don't even support the Biafra. Because they believe that when Biafra comes, some bodyguard will stand up and say, you people are not Igbo speaking Biafra. Madam, that thing you did there, that video you did there, don't try it. Don't do that. Don't say that. Let me even ask you a question. Is it everybody in that your Biafra, in that your Igbo land that believe in Biafra? Is it everybody that lives in that Igbo land that believe in Biafra? If it's true, why is it that the Biafra has not come if all of them believe in Biafra? Don't say that. The way some people from that same Igbo land betray the struggle and they don't believe in Biafra, that is how it is in other places. So you don't have right to come and be talking trash, saying that people should go and look for your leader. My friend, how long have you been fighting for the Biafra? How long have you been fighting for Biafra? And what have you done for the Biafra? That is why before His Excellency Nnamdi, he normally broadcasts with Igbo language. After some time, he have to change because a lot of people, you draw the map is drawn and you put some people that does not understand Igbo and you are broadcasting with Igbo. And the thing caused confusion because a really big problem. I said, why is it that those other people that are not speaking Igbo, they don't understand what you broadcast, they don't understand what you are saying? And when you see that, yes, this thing, they are saying the truth, it has to change. That was when he started broadcasting with English language so that even those that are not speaking Igbos, we understand. What is really strong with our people? Biafra has not come now. You start sharing Gary. You start separating people. This is why any other person cannot just raise up as a leader. That is why Nnamdi is the best. Without discrimination, without hatred, without greed, without sentiments, he carried everybody along. Just how many days? Let me put it as days that His Excellency is out. Everybody is trying to be the leader of Biafra. Everybody is not bringing the rules and regulations. My friend, get out of here. You are not qualified. You don't have the rights. You don't have the right at all to say that. Do you know the funniest part of it? There are some people that are in Nigeria, let me tell you something, that have not even heard about this Biafra of a struggle. A lot of people. The people that are even promoting this Biafra struggle, they are people that are outside Nigeria. I am telling you. They are people that, the people outside Nigeria, they are the ones that are even giving the people in Nigeria the orientation, giving them what to do. If you don't know, let me let you know. You are saying that, what are they waiting for before they will go to Nigeria to go and protest? Madam, enter road, first of all, go and protest in Nigeria. People will follow you. If you stand up and you carry Biafra flag and you start protesting on the street, you will see a lot of people that will follow you. Go to Delta State and start protesting. The people will follow you. They don't do things that way. How will only one person offend you and you use it to rob everybody? My friend, don't do that. Oh, that Biafra. We must see the Biafra. If you want to do that, go and rewrite the map. Yes, if you want to take the rest people from Biafra, go and write the map again. Go and change the map. Have you seen the leader of Biafra come out one day to utter this type of words? If not for the greed, hatred that is in our mind, this person is not Igbo speaking Biafra. It's not from Igbo. We cannot support. We cannot do this. My friend, pack well. You that is Igbo speaking Biafra. You that only talk about Biafra with your mouth. What have you done for the struggle? How many help have you rendered? Where is your name written? Who know yourself? They don't do things that way. Leave people to live their life. Everybody must not love you. Never. Everybody must not love you. You might be doing something and you will be thinking that, oh, this thing that I am doing, with all this, nobody's even talking good about me. The thing is just like the thing is not, they are not even appreciating it. Who see you? Nobody see you. You don't have that right. I repeat and I said, people that are not Igbo speaking Biafra and they believe in the struggle of Biafra, let them believe in what they believe. You don't feed anybody. You don't clothe anybody. And you don't have rights to tell people where they belong. That is arrant nonsense. The same thing we are talking about Muhammadu Buhari. This is what we are doing now. Yes, you are not trying to intimidate some people. The same thing you are saying Muhammadu Buhari is doing. You are not recognized in Nigeria. Muhammadu Buhari did not recognize you. The Nigeria belong to the northern part of Nigeria. We are not equality. They are not treating us well. They are not doing this. Look at your life. Biafra has not come now. You start separating already. You people are not Biafra. You people should go. It's only the Igbo speaking that are Biafra. Carry your 5 states and go now. What are you waiting for? Carry your 5 states and go. What are you waiting for? That is nonsense. You were just insulting everybody, insulting everybody. How will you have a problem or somebody speaks something that is wrong and you use it to you add it to everybody? The way Joe Ibekwe is there, that he don't like the struggle of Biafra. He speak even about the struggle. How many people follow him? The people that want to believe him will believe him. Likewise, Owazirike. I have been listening to Owazirike for some time. Not everybody that loves this type of leadership. And if you see Owazirike now, he's trying to be calm. He's trying to realize that the idea of Biafra might come from a particular man, but the ideology is something that nobody can kill. That is why you see that the fact that Nnamdi Kanu is in their custody, things are still moving the way it were. My friend, shine down your energy to be fighting Fulani henchmen and stop all this nonsense. Or do you want us to change it for you? You want us to change it for you? If you want us to change it for you, we will change it for you. If me, I am from Delta State, if you want us to change it for you, we will change it for you. Stop that nonsense. You people should not bring sentiment in this issue and carry tribalism to be rubbing everybody's face. When somebody is talking, say, it's not Igbo Biafra. My friend, get out of here. You people should take time, oh. That thing you are doing, that talk is very bad. The same thing we are fighting in Nigeria. Listen to yourself. When you are talking, don't you listen to yourself. You are angry, you are angry, you are angry. Listen to yourself. You are fighting Muhammadu Buhari, that the equality is not there. They are treating some people better than the way they are treating some. You have not even gotten the Biafra you are fighting for. Now, you shine your energy from the Biafra struggle you're supposed to be fighting. You are not fighting your fellow people, telling them to go and mind their business, to go to their house. They should not be talking about Biafra. Come and hold my dress not to be talking about Biafra. Come and hold people. Anybody that supports Biafra does not offend you. Even if the person is from Oduduwa and is talking about Biafra, it does not one day offend you. He's trying to still promote you. He's trying to still promote the struggle. Not everybody that hears this Biafra from your mouth, they hear it from other platforms. If you don't know. What nonsense. Just rapping, insulting everybody, cursing everybody. Go and look for your leader. Go and look for this. My sister, you did not talk well. You did not talk well. I disagree with that, your statement yesterday. I disagree with you. I don't want to play the video, but I disagree with everything you said. Totally, I disagree with you. That is nonsense. You should have shined your energy to anybody you know that he presents any word, or anybody you know that he speaks anything. Not using it to rob everybody. There are a lot of people that will come out today and talk bad about Nnamdi Kanu. Igbo speaking Biafra, you are claiming. But will people now, because of this person is talking bad about him, make everybody to believe and say we are not following him anymore? The more they talk bad about him, the more they love. So this is, in fact, they will just be laughing at the Biafra. Says, look at them. The leaders just go, they just disorganize. Do you hear that when they're saying the Oduduwa? Do you think that it's only all of them they understand themselves? Is Akure not there? Is other parts in the Lagos not there? Is Ile-Ife not there? Do you think that they speak the same Yoruba? Why is it that only this Biafra is different? Looking for people that are speaking Igbo. Carry banner and paper, be writing. If you see somebody that is talking about Biafra, write the person's name down and say you are not Igbo speaking Biafra. That is only Igbo speaking Biafra that I recognize. Look at you. Look at you. Look at what you are saying. Even your talk self did not even carry any water. Those was their Sawana talk. They did not carry any water. So those people are saying, you people should stop it. You people should not let us to also change it. Don't let people to also change it for you people. I'm talking about the woman that made that video. And any other person that have that mentality of trying to say this is Igbo, this is Biafra, this part is not Biafra, this part is this part is that. If they leave it for you, can you do it alone? Do you know, do you have the ideology that one tree can make a forest? A tree, does a tree make a forest? Please, let people that are talking, that are fighting for freedom, leave them to do what they want to do. Anybody that supports Biafra, leave them to support. If Biafra come, you don't need Biafra passport, we go to where it belongs. You don't have the rights. So this thing got to stop. After you finish, you start giving names. This one is Calabar Biafra. This one is Ebonyi State Biafra. This one is Warri Biafra. This one is Delta Biafra. This one is this Biafra. My friend, stop it. You need to stop it. Nothing like Ebonyi State Biafra, Imo State Biafra, Alaba Biafra, Delta Biafra, Igbo speaking Biafra, Yoruba speaking Biafra, Isoko speaking Biafra, Calabar speaking Biafra. Stop those things. Shine that your energy to Funani. Don't shine it to us because we change it for you. We have already tested the freedom. The man have tested it, and we see that it is lekker, it is so sweet, and nobody will tell us not to test it, or we should not continue licking it. Is it everybody that is in that your wake up that supports you with this Biafra struggle? Is it everybody? Have you heard this type of statement from His Excellency Mazi Kalu? Have you? Then what is all this? What is all this nonsense? Igbo Biafra, Bini Biafra, Edo Biafra, Robo Biafra, Isoko Biafra, Alaba Biafra, Imo Biafra, Igbo Biafra. My friend, this thing is not up to that unless you want them to change it for you. The way we did not allow Muhammadu Buhari to oppress us and everybody started talking, that is the same way we treat you. We will not even allow you to start the oppression because the same thing we are fighting, that one Nigeria is not working. We want to go. And everybody, people are not standing up. People have realized that, yes, it's truth. We need to go. One Nigeria is not working. Then now you are not coming to say we are not part of the sweetness or of the melody. My friend, you lie. Now, someone now, you go see yourself. You lie. Don't say that. You only say it with your mouth. Do you really love this Biafra? You that carry your phone to be making this video about Biafra, this Biafra, that. Do you really love the Biafra? Do you think that to speak Igbo, that is the thing? Did you think that is to come out to speak Igbo? That makes you the true Biafra? That video you did there, it did not organize it well with a lot of people. It did not organize it well at all with a lot of people. Stop that, unless you want us to change it for you. You don't do that. You don't bring your sentiment to this struggle. You don't bring your greed to this struggle. You don't bring your tribalism to this struggle. Keep it inside your bag and lock it. Because not everybody that will tolerate you. In that Biafra also, we have people that are wacko. We have people that are cool and people that are not cool at all. So stop that you are doing. Stop that talk you are talking. Stop that talk that you are talking. Nothing like Edo Biafra, Bini Biafra, Agbo Biafra, this Biafra. Biafra is Biafra. If you want to change it, go and change the map. Is it because we are keeping quiet to think that we don't know what we are doing? Do you know a lot of people that comfort our forefathers, telling them that if they join Biafra, this is the way people will treat you? When we rose up and said no. If people cannot undirect us, never. Never, never, never. Don't say that. Never, never. Never, never, never. Don't say it, oh. Gone are those days. Whereby you discriminate. This one is Igbo, this you carry it to call one corner. This one is, I've seen a lot of your type. Yes, I have seen a lot of your type that do this thing. They discriminate. This one is Igbo. They want to say, my friend, I will scatter that middle. I will scatter everything there. Don't do that, oh. Don't try that thing. We better fight this fight without diligently. Anybody that supports you, support the person. When the person did not support you, know that the person is not supporting you. Know that the person that is supporting, you are saying that the person should not support you. You should go and look for a leader. Two captain must not be in the boat. The only leader we know, we respect, we fight with, we hope for, we listen to. Leadership with control. That is His Excellency Mazi Kalu. Any other leader is counterfeit. Yes. We respect DOS. We respect all leaders that are bringing out the information to us. We respect them. We hear from them. We obey them in the absence of Mazi Kalu. We respect the rest people. We respect the DOS. Whatever they bring, we believe is for the betterment of the struggle, and we don't question it. The one that we can still question, we will still question. You will not tell us that we should not ask questions. You will not tell us that when we see that the thing is not going well, we should not say it. We must say it. So the one that is not all going well with us, we have the right to ask questions. Are we not human? Are we under bondage? We must ask questions. And when we ask questions, the DOIs give us the response. If it's okay with us, we accept. If it's not okay with us, we still try to make sure we are telling them, no, this thing is not okay. And they will still try to make sure they convince us. Do you think that to rule how many million people is joke? Did you think it's joke? Did you think it's a joke? Do you think you can carry everybody along? You cannot carry everybody along. Oh. There must be some people that will put head, bend the head, while some straight their head. Some are looking up, while some are looking down. So don't think that everybody will follow you. Or what you are saying, you say it, or everybody is going to this direction. Does not mean that the thing is right. So this world we are living today now is a very crazy world. That this present generation, you don't have right to decide for anybody. Anything you want to do, you do, provided that thing all go well with you. So you don't have rights to tell people this is the side you will face, or this is the side you will face. Leave them to run their race. Leave them to face the side they want to face. That is what I have to say about that video. Please, let's channel this our energy, this our strength to fight the people we're supposed to fight. Don't fight people that are not fighting you. We are in the same struggle together. Whether you are now Oduduwa, whether you are Biafra, so as you are fighting for your freedom, to liberate yourself, please, you don't have right to challenge anybody where you belong. That thing needs to stop. All right, my wonderful family, I still remain your one and only girl, AGATHA. Progress here on YouTube any day, anytime. I don't have duplicate, I am the original, and I say it the way it is. And if you know you have been enjoying this melemeles and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. Until we see our leader in happiness, the person of Mazinadi Kalu, I say bye for now.